New construction with estimated completion by the end of March. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home is conveniently located just minutes from I-264 and Naval Base Little Creek. The open floor plan features a spacious kitchen with stainless steel stove, microwave, dishwasher, soft close cabinetry, large island with granite top, and an oversized walk-in pantry. The primary suite offers a double bowl vanity with granite top and 2 walk-in closets, while 3 additional bedrooms provide ample space plus a full bathroom upstairs with a double bowl vanity and granite countertops. Second floor laundry room. A versatile mudroom adds extra storage. Exterior highlights include a fenced backyard, single-car garage with opener, 2-car driveway, and generator plug. Opportunities like this are limited. Schedule your private showing today. Ask about closing cost assistance. Pictures are from previously built home, same model.